Okay, so just scroll all the way to the right. You have tools, click on that, and then scroll this thing all the way to the right, and you have table, click on that. You can resize it. You can add rows, you can add columns, you can move things around. So if you want to add a column, just click on it and then click on these three dots, or these three dots, depending on what you're trying to create. You have all these formatting options if you want to resize it equally. But if you want to add, for example, new columns or stuff like that, just scroll down. Well, okay, hold on. Yeah, you have add column, add row. You can adjust pretty much everything related to the table. The problem is it's a bit complicated to work on things on mobile, but yeah, you can play around with settings and create whatever type of table you want. If you don't like it anymore, you can always delete it and, I don't know, do something else. But yeah, that's how you create tables, and that's how you style or edit them to fit your needs.